In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CurseForge not installing. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are trying to use the CurseForge launcher and it doesn't install itself or nothing happens when you click the option to launch it, then follow these instructions and you will be able to address this. First of all, if you are using it alongside Overwolf, it is especially important to always keep Overwolf up to date. So if needed, go to the Overwolf website and make sure that you download the latest version of Overwolf. When you download CurseForge, you have two options to get the app. You can download it on Overwolf and download standalone. So if you chose the option to acquire it on Overwolf, you also need to update it as well. If Overwolf is outdated, then nothing will happen with CurseForge. So always update both if needed. If you download it standalone, then you should be able to get it to work using only the CurseForge installer. But if it isn't launching, like the title suggests, then what you can try to do is press Windows plus R or look for the Run window. Now type %local app data %, click OK, and then scroll down. See if you have the CurseForge updated folder. If you do, launch this installer.exe file. Of course, I already have CurseForge running, so for me it just gives an error, but for you it should launch the installer as usual. And now you will be able to proceed through all of the steps to get this done. If it is still failing, you could have a corrupted download. So what I recommend in this case is that you go over to the installed apps on Windows and you look for anything related to Overwolf, both Overwolf and CurseForge. And once you find them here, click on the three dots and then uninstall. You will be able to fully remove them, any sort of corrupted file, and then you can reacquire them from the official website. Make sure that you choose standalone. This, in my opinion, is going to be the best option, but if you want to use the Overwolf features, it should work as well. Remember to always update Java, DirectX, and your graphics drivers, and you should be able to get CurseForge, Launcher, and any game inside of it to work. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix CurseForge not installing. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.